We're very excited today. We are at Cochrane Save-On Foods, and we are hosting a Meet Your Farmer event. We've got some local producers that have volunteered their time to come to the grocery store and interact with consumers to answer their questions, where their food comes from.
The consumer comes face-to-face with the farmer in the grocery store. This is Rural Roots Canada, and I'm Eric Smith, getting to the stem and meat of agriculture. Agriculture for Life CEO Laurie Williamson tells Rural Roots Canada this event created a lot of genuine conversations.
It's that personal conversation. I mean, we have a lot of misperceptions in agriculture, and one of those misperceptions is the big farm, the big beast of a farm where there's no person behind it. And so it really does put a face to agriculture, and people have the opportunity to have those authentic conversations.
Alberta Beef's Beth Castle says they are excited to be a part of this event.
We get an opportunity to be in front of customers, and those are the people that have the questions. They're going to ask us about beef cuts. They're going to talk about where should they find this information from.
Assistant Store Manager Colette Kerr says the whole event was the talk of the store all day.
I've been caching a little bit, and the customers coming through are talking about it already. I met the people from the milk area, and they're just excited about it.
Alberta Milk Representative Danielle Lee says this opportunity has allowed them to answer a lot of questions the shoppers have.
We've had a few questions. Different people want to know about organics or different ways that we produce our milk here in Alberta and Canada, and we're happy to say that we produce very safe quality milk and with no hormones or antibiotics, so people are happy to hear that.
Kerr says shoppers take a big interest in where their local produce comes from.
A lot of it is beef and produce questions. Where's this coming from? People are very interested, especially in beef and produce, about where it's being manufactured and stuff like that. When they find out that everything we can possibly bring in local, that we do, they're stoked about it. This is our local rack, and it's shopped all the time, and our local produce area all the time, and everybody knows that we have Alberta beef, and they think that's fantastic.
For more on this story, go to ruralrootscanada.com. For Rural Roots Canada, I'm Eric Smith, getting to the stem and meat of agriculture.
This has been a Rural Roots Canada production.